Greetings from Ari team. In this video, we are going to see how to prepare a purchase order without taking reference of a requisition document. So from transactions, I will navigate to purchase order under purchase section, and I will start entering the basic details in header, party name, price list associated with business partner, person name who is preparing the purchase order document, any tax associated with the business partner, and in this field document status we have two options, booked and draft. So initially let's select the status as draft. If the document is in draft status, it means this document is yet to be finalized or is pending for manager's approval. Till the time the document is in draft status, then its reference will not be found in any further transactions like GRN. So now I will add the products in purchase order. So in purchase order, products can be added either by searching from the product drop down, or we can add products from assembly tab, variant product selection tab, or by scanning the barcode. For simplicity, I will search the products from the product drop down, and for other tabs you can refer to our video how to add different types of product in inward and outward transactions. Now let's say our first product is HP laptop black. I will enter the quantity as 5. Similarly, next product is a lot product, and this is pen drive. So a lot product is a product which have a specific number, or we can say lot number associated with this. So at the time of doing GRN, we will be entering the lot number. Second product is Bluetooth mouse. Now there is another tab just beside order detail. This is additional charges detail. Here in this tab we can add any type of charges which are incurred in connection with this transaction. These charges may be for shipping, labor charges, or packaging. So let's say we have incurred additional charges as for shipping. So I will need to enter the amount. We can change the tax from product drop down, or we can select the default tax associated or when creating the additional charges account. So accordingly tax will be calculated for additional charge as well. And at the bottom we can see that gross amount, total tax amount, additional charges are all calculated automatically. Now once the document is finalized or reviewed by manager, he will change the status to booked, which means that this document has been booked with the party or business partner, that is Green Farms. So after saving, we will be able to see the reference of this document purchase order in further transactions like GRN. So in this way we have seen how to prepare a purchase order without taking reference of a requisition document. In the next video, we will see how to prepare a purchase order with taking reference of a requisition document. Thank you.